Do you want to create AI music with video? I know your answer is yes. Many YouTube channels are making big money with AI-generated animated music videos. So, why wait? Oh, I know what you're thinking. You believe making music needs instruments, right? My answer, no, you don't. You might think you need a professional singer. Again, no. Or maybe you believe a high-quality microphone is required? No, not at all. I get it. It sounds impossible. But trust me, it's now 100% possible with the power of AI. You can create full music videos from scratch without any expensive equipment or special skills. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to generate free AI music videos easily and professionally. So, without wasting another second, let's dive right in and get started. Open ChatGPT and simply type, "Give me the lyrics of a romantic song and also a scene-wise video generation prompt." Instantly, ChatGPT will surprise you with amazing, original romantic song lyrics along with perfectly matched video scene prompts. It's like having your own personal songwriter and video director in one tool. Whether you want soft emotional verses or vibrant cinematic video ideas, ChatGPT delivers everything in seconds. You can use these lyrics and prompts to create stunning AI-generated music videos for your YouTube channel or social media content. And the best part, you don't need to be a professional musician or video editor. So, what are you waiting for? Try it now and watch your creative ideas come to life with the magic of AI. Also, if you want another amazing option, you can use pixelman.ai. It's a completely free website. No need for any credits, no need to pay anything at all. It's super simple and beginner-friendly. All you have to do is just paste your prompt into pixelman.ai and hit generate. That's it. In just a few seconds, you will see the results. Stunning, HD quality, animated images that look absolutely professional and eye-catching. Pixelman.ai is an incredible tool because it gives you free access to high-quality visuals without any effort. You don't need to worry about designing, editing, or understanding complicated settings. Just copy the prompt you got from ChatGPT, paste it directly into pixelman.ai, and sit back while it does all the work for you. The best part is that the images created are super realistic, full of details, and perfect for using in your videos, thumbnails, or even social media posts. Whether you are creating storytelling videos, motivational reels, movie explainers, or AI art showcases, pixelman.ai can deliver everything you need without costing a single penny. So if you want unlimited creative power without spending money, make sure you take full advantage of pixelman.ai. It's fast, it's free, and it's mind-blowing what kind of stunning results you can achieve with just a simple prompt. Once your lyrics are ready, open Google and search for Suno.com. Click on the first link and sign in with your Google account. Suno.com is an incredible website that generates amazing songs from any lyrics you provide. You can create all kinds of music here: hip-hop, romantic, instrumental, pop, lo-fi, and much more. After logging in, click on Create. Copy the lyrics you generated with ChatGPT and paste them into the text box. You'll also see an option to rewrite or enhance your lyrics with AI, but since we've already crafted our song, we can skip that. Now move to the Style section and type in any music style you want: hip-hop, romantic, instrumental, pop, anything. Feel free to experiment and add multiple styles to explore different vibes. There's no need to adjust any complicated settings. Just click Generate, sit back, and within seconds, boom! Your AI-generated song will be ready. Suno will give you 2 versions of the song. Listen to both, choose the one you love, and download it with a single click. It's that simple and powerful. So why wait? Unleash your creativity and let AI help you produce professional quality music in minutes. Now the picture is ready, the song is ready. So what are we waiting for? It's time to bring it all to life with stunning video visuals. Head over to Runway ML, one of the most powerful and user-friendly AI video generation platforms available today. Simply sign up using a temporary email service like Smell Pro, and you'll instantly receive 125 free credits to start creating. Don't stop there. You can create multiple new accounts with Smell Pro to keep getting free credits again and again. Once you're in, choose from Runway's incredible tools like Gen 2 video generation, image to video, text to video, or video editing with AI enhancements. Just paste your prompt, whether it's a scene description, a music video concept, or even an animation idea, and let Runway do its magic. In just a few minutes, you'll have professional-level video clips ready to pair with your song and image. The quality is mind-blowing, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. So don't wait. Start generating your masterpiece, combine your music and visuals, and watch your creative vision come alive like never before with Runway ML. Now drag your audio and video files into CapCut. After that, you can add a few smooth transitions if you want, or just keep it simple with basic effects. Adjust everything. Make sure the video and audio are perfectly synced. Once you're happy with the final preview, click Export, and your amazing AI-generated music video is ready to go. Enjoy your creation and share it with the world.
Meet me where you met me before, running from the sands to the shore.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorials and AI content. Thanks again and take care. See you in the next video.